Managing your campaigns. The Campaign Manager is a great dashboard where almost all of your LinkedIn advertising tasks will be conducted. The Campaign Manager will allow you to monitor your advertising and marketing ventures on LinkedIn and to modify specific details of your campaign in a minimal yet convenient dashboard. We will dedicate this video to taking a look at the many ways in which you can manage your LinkedIn advertising campaigns using the Campaign Manager. Creating ad campaigns in different languages. LinkedIn will allow you to create ad campaigns across 23 different languages. And in fact, your audience will be targeted based on the language they are viewing LinkedIn in your selected language. For example, if you select to run a campaign in Spanish, your ads will be served to those members viewing LinkedIn in Spanish. To select the language for your campaign, simply select a language from the Language drop-down menu when creating a new campaign. Note that the language in your creative and your selective language must match. Setting and editing a campaign duration. You can set when your campaigns start and when they end. When creating a new campaign, simply set up a start date and an end date in the budget and duration setup. To edit the campaign duration of an existing campaign, just go to your campaign of choice, click on the Bid and Budget tab, and modify the start and end dates. Then click on Save. Turning a campaign on or off. It is worth saying that it is not good to keep a campaign running after it loses its luster or when the time comes to replace it. When you want to turn a campaign off, go to the advertising account containing that campaign, scroll down to see your campaigns listed, and click on the green lever to turn a campaign off. You can also use this option to resume a campaign after you turn it off. Duplicating campaigns. You can easily duplicate a campaign if you want to use it as a template for a variation or to use it to target a different audience. Whichever your intention may be, just enter on a campaign and then click on the Duplicate Campaign button in the upper right corner. Confirm that the selected account is the correct destination for the duplicated campaign and click on Select and Continue. Now modify the settings that you wish to try differently and click on Duplicate. Archiving campaigns. You can archive campaigns when you don't want them overpopulating your campaign manager if they're not active. Locate the campaign that you want to archive in the corresponding account. Once you locate it, turn it off. The archive option will appear below the lever. Editing separate elements of a campaign. You don't have to edit a campaign as a whole if you only need to edit its budget, for example. If you want to edit an element of a campaign, go to your target campaign and click on it. Beside the Performance tab, you will have the option to edit a campaign's ad, audience, bids, and budget. We invite you to take a closer look at all the options available, as even the most basic of functionalities can be a lifesaver for you in the future.